arrived, and now I'm waiting for my friends. Wow, we're in Taiwan. What the fuck is that monster over there?
We finally made it. After 3 fucking years.
Oh, my boy. Oh, he's so good.
We had a really long flight.
I know. I didn't realize how long.
Was it a connection flight?
Yeah. 60 man. You guys went to a bar?
Yeah, we went to a bar and then we went to a hookah lounge. Mike's friends were there. Let's not put that Advil. What are you doing?
Dude, you got my contacts here. Hello. You got my contacts here. Prescription. It's so cheap.
Stand task. Come on, let's go.
Hello.
We gotta come back.
Tiff, you have so many contacts.
Wow. Nice. Whole day
Just
travel.
just
Like
everything.
2 months worth for myself.
This way.
He's stopping me. I'm supposed to be.
It's 'cause you don't have your hat.
I'm supposed to be unstoppable.
You don't have your hat. That's why you're stoppable right now.
We literally went here to get Advil. She's not even close to the Advil.
They got so much stuff.
Oh my god. Tiff, it's 1 a.m.
Okay, I'm not gonna judge your journey. It is your fantasy, just as long as you're looking at women who...
I want some fried chicken. Can we get the big chicken?
Whoa. Okay, I think you order like this.
Big ass chicken boy.
Yeah. Want to much or what is in the box? Tofu. What's this then? Wait, they gave us hella extra shit. Oh, okay. Are we getting this for everyone?
Do you need
I'm just holding it so you can hold it.
Do you need to get breakfast for tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's do it. Should we get coffee for the morning?
Well, in that case,
Huh? Yeah, where?
oh shoot! Freaking love 7-Eleven. Tiff in her element.
What are you?
Who are you, my little friend?
Tiff in her natural habitat.
Bread and cream. Considering Doo Doo is on Netflix.
Oh shoot!
On what show? I don't know.
Welcome. Hey, Opa.
It's so round.
See, did you have bricks in here?
Can you hold this for me?
Yes.
I'm gonna carry it.
That's just a fucking bird. Yeah.
Wait, I'm embarrassed, you guys.
I call top bunk with Peter. You're the power bottom.
Wait, same bunk or same?
Same bed, but bunk style. I have 4 keys. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yeah, it was just unfortunate that we.
Who's got a Pocari sweat?
Alright, let's hit the sack soon. Well,
Oh, you should try this chicken. It's really good.
I'll try mine.
Yeah, you should try it.
Once-
Wendy, your stuff's in here.
Wants a
too.
bite.
What is this?
It's
Fried chicken.
really good. Wendy, use
Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep going.
Take one more bite. Try the popcorn chicken. Fire.
I'll take some too. Beat his ass. I'll beat it for you later tonight.
Try the popcorn chicken.
That's so good. I gave them an excuse that I grind my teeth. It's gonna be crazy.
They're not gonna be hearing your teeth grinding. Something else is gonna be grinding. Meat grinders.
Yeah. Oh my god.
This other.
I'm just Michael, I'm just gonna keep I'll just take this out.
Let me see the unstoppable hat.
Yeah.
Where'd you get this from?
It's the market.
Pentakill.
Yeah.
Time for sleep. Going to Jiufen tomorrow morning. Bye-bye. Good morning, Taiwan. It's a fine morning, isn't it, Taiwan?
It is a beautiful morning. Hopefully it doesn't rain.
Yeah.
Let's get this bread.
Let's get this dough. Nah, I'm saying. Wowzer.
Tinky Winky.
Twinkie.
Dipsy.
Twinkie. 谢谢. Off we
Wow,
go.
that made me so happy.
我的英文程度不好，所以今天我们要用翻译来沟通。
哦，好。
My English is not good, so today we have to use a translator to communicate.
OK？
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
你们今天的旅游目的地就在九份是吗？
Guys, we're not stopping by. Yeah, just Jiufen.
应该是哈，九份哈，好的，就直接说九份哦。你本身是台湾人吗？爸爸台湾人哦。
Aesthetic, like,
We took a little stop on the way to Jiufen because we haven't had breakfast yet.
Do they have this?
like a bread. Plain bao? Yeah, I want. Oh, she wants a pork bun. I want a plain one.
This is amazing.
It's really good.
I'm gonna protect this man at all costs.
I'm gonna protect delicious. Deliciosos. Finished breakfast, and now we're going to get ponchos. Ponchos. Why is it raining?
Yeah, it's a little. It's not ideal, but
It's not the most ideal.
All time.
You are so freaking cute.
一下哈，这边还有那里面也都有，然后里面再逛一逛。啊，好了好。哦，对，那他来迎接你们。他们是带去给他们带。
I like clips. Oh yeah. They probably got.
Are they feral?
They look so Chinese. On a mission to find a cat, and I found one. There's more! They're all in their homes! Aww. I think this is a mining museum. My friend Wendy. My feline friends, I am back again.
They're so friendly.
They really like Wendy.
Yeah.
I really like cats.
Right?
Oh, I didn't even notice a cat there.
He's eating. Yeah.
I love that. Alright, should we go back to the spot?
联络的话是在这边嘛？对，都在这边嘛？对，都在这边嘛？对，是我。好，找到我啊，好，然后再加入。啊，好，加入。好，可以。这样的话，你到时候要上海4点打电话去。打赖。好的。不然我在那边打嘟嘟。哎，好，好。打赖以后我才知道哦，有信号进来。
哎。 Wow. Oh. Wow. This is a cute shop. Wanna go look? Yeah.
Oh, this is crazy. Wait,
That is so well designed.
it has its own carbon fiber carrying case.
Wait a
Carbon
second.
fiber.
That's
wow.
crazy. You like put the tea in here?
That's actually.
It's nuts.
Kind of wish it was bigger.
Huh?
대박. What I'm realizing in Jiufen, there's a lot of like Korean writing. Because they knew that you were coming.
Daddy Oppa.
Daddy Oppa.
Mike Oppa입니다.
나는
나는
Mike Oppa입니다.
Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Oh.
What?
Something wrong?
What?
What? No. Who?
Why are you twitching?
We're going along with North Korea. What do you mean?
Yeah, dude. Let Link cook.
Like Link cook.
Yes. Exhibit A.
Exhibit A again.
I kind of like the smell in here. Kind of smells good.
That smells really good.
Action.
No.
And we're rolling. Okay. I like what you were going for there. That was good. That was good. One feedback. Your eyelids were a little open too much. I would close it a little bit. Yes.
Yeah, when he enters, like, make sure you don't cast it a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. What was that candy called? Dalgona candy?
Choke on.
It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it.
You never heard of it?
I invented it.
You eat some choke on?
Choke on these.
Dude, it's not appropriate.
Apologize.
Kid lost her brush.
What?
Uh-oh.
We're gonna keep
Keep it on.
If we keeping on this keep on road.
We'll just keep keeping on.
Yeah.
Yeah, she hates you.
I'm a menace.
I think she also hates the weather too.
Oh, or not the smell.
That too. Tinky tofu.
Dude, that's strong.
What did it say it again?
We're about to enter the keeping on zone.
Okay.
Just keep on with me.
Just keep on keeping on.
Alright, I thought I knew where to keep on, but I don't know where to keep on.
Just keep on.
Okay. Roger. Roger, Dodger.
Just keep on.
Watch out. Oh, watch. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're my Ursa.
All right. All right. All right, buddy.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
You're a menace right now. You're just a
Drop
menace.
something.
Yeah, these nuts in your mouth. Oh my gosh. Now,
Peter Baba.
now it should be around here somewhere.
Baba 很好吃. Whoa. That's crazy.
And welcome to the Keeping On Mountain.
I'm so glad I kept on.
Is it this?
The tea house?
No. No. Somewhere around here. Mike in his element. Think about that. It's pretty at night. But this is a vibe too, you know what I'm saying?
Wow. Jiufen is so pretty. I'm getting the whole view right now. Wow. This is like a spot.
Wow. Jiufen is just better. I'm Peter, are you Jiufen?
I'm Jiufen.
I think the tea house is somewhere around here.
Huh?
The tea house is somewhere around here.
So starting.
It's begun.
We should find the tea house quickly.
Yeah. What's fun? Is it bad? I don't know the tea house is.
Wait, did he send it to you?
It's just Jiufen tea house.
Jiufen tea house? Where did mine go?
你好。
里面是可以喝茶的地方，要喝茶吗？
对，我们要有6个人。
6个人。
对。
有来过吗？
这是我第一次来的。
那你看一下 menu 哦。
OK， 好。
先看 menu 那边前面。
OK， 好。
前面哈。
She wants us to look at the menu first.
这是玉龙珠。
哦，可以先选位置。OK， 好，谢谢。We can sit anywhere. Find a spot. Wanna go in there? Go here? Oh yeah, let's go here. Or out here. Oh, we should go here. Here? Yeah, here. I like this yeah. That's oh boy. Oh boy. All to ourselves.
Oh my god, should we kiss?
Oh.
Wait, hold on.
Such a vibe. Oh, that's sweaty. You're gorgeous. You're just actually gorgeous.
So what tea should we get?
I have no idea, to be honest. I couldn't tell you even if I could read.
Should we get the...
These are the lighter ones. Each nine of them for each tea.
It's like a really...
Tea gold.
I would recommend one light one and medium.
Where are our friends?
Tea kel. You want to get the kel tea? The tea kel?
We should get a menu.
Tea kel? Tea kel is nuts.
I didn't get a menu. Tina, where'd you go?
Oh, Tiff dropped one of her brushes.
Oh, you went to go find it with her? Did you find it?
Did not find it. Did not get it.
就是可以，
I noticed I like
这个啊，这是东方美的台湾特有的乌龙茶。
Sure. That's good. I don't know what
There's a postcard for you here.
Oh.
Then inside it's all post open.
Oh.
Postcard.
Thank you.
Another 2 postcards for the Berlin message. After that, you know.
记得这个。It's here for a while.
那我们煮明时间3小时，禁用外食。
It is a beautiful morning. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain.
Mike, you're safe. It's warm. It's dry.
0% chance of rain.
Yeah, I don't trust the weather forecast in Taiwan anymore.
The weatherman is fucking lying.
So first, we one couple of tea sets right here.
Oh yeah.
Draw right here and here, right? Because it's more thicker, so you can heat. So please place your right.
The son that was supposed to inherit
Oh,
it
nice.
On the top of it right here, just
He did inherit it, and they got
fingers to hold and rub
going
it. Then just twist your wrist. And this one's we call it tea holder. Okay. And to bring the tea leaves out, you can just tilt the container and just slightly screw it. So that just give it off.
Slight left and like. Sometimes. Actually, this is true.
Okay, so that's first brew right here. Okay, I'll show you. The cups first. 客气。
谢谢。
可以贴观音。Okay, please.
Cheers, guys. Tina.
Get ready to get brewed.
Lighter one first. Yeah, the second one tasted better. It's harder to taste the second one after. Or the first one.
10 seconds, right?
No, 20 seconds. No.
20 seconds now. Oh, Demi!
This one can be used.
Dude, my traps make everything so much better.
Someone counting for her? Wait, I'm waiting. Oh my god, look at her in her Tyrannosaurus X arm.
What do you even say?
Why was your arm so weird?
You're weird. How do you make it so that, we have to just do multiple pours into one?
I like your phone case.
We're also going to be there and also Babylon as well, so. distance though.
Apparently it rains here a lot. It's like not uncommon. Like my friend was saying, like every single time she's like been here,
It's been raining.
so dramatic. I'm just kidding.
Dude,
I love you, Papa.
So scared of the rain.
I love you, Papa.
For floods?
No, I just
You don't like being wet.
I don't like being wet.
It's so
cowboy.
Through and through.
Through and through.
Through and through.
好玩吗？
他没带外套。
没有。
哎呦。
哎呦喂。
哎呦 indeed。哦。
怕下大雨。
你是一个很勇敢的人，来这边还不带外套，啊，你真是勇敢啊，们啊，佩服你，佩
You'll
服
see,
你。
it's funny.
And pepper soup. Okay.
Peppa
Well,
pep. That's a pretty good amount.
Yeah.
No, they're pretty slippery.
I'm struggling. Don't film me struggling.
Oh, you've got it, Renee. The filming is what you needed to. Nuts in your mouth.